now jump into the platform. I'm going to click here on Discover for Free, which will bring me to the app.netminer.com page /resources. And here I can see that right at the top of the screen, I can see all of the resources that I've got access to. Of course, as an administrator, I've got access to everything. And underneath, I can see everything that is currently paid. At the bottom, we've got a section where if you can't find your genome or you're interested in us adding something else, you can vote for a new species by simply searching in here. You get 3 votes per month. There are also filters along the left, and if you ever find something like a bug or have a question, please use one of these buttons to get through to us. If you're interested in looking into a specific resource or you want to understand more about one, click on the Learn More button, and that'll bring you into that particular resources details page where you can scroll a list of the genomes that are being used by Netminer for this resource. And there's a table at the bottom that's showing you all of the different varieties that are for this specific species. Generally, like you'll see by these counts here, they'll just have one genome, but it's possible that there are sometimes multiple, so be on the lookout for that. To open up the resource, you can either click on Open here, or if I navigate back, there's actually an Open button, or you can simply click on the resource to begin with. For my examples, I will be using the Cereals Premium resource. When I click on that, I get a list of, that's the same list of species that I was actually looking at in, well, this time for Cereals Premium. And I can scroll through them and I can pick which species I want to search in. That doesn't mean that my search is limited to only that species, but it does mean that that's the target species, and anything like a gene list search that I do, it'll be, Netminer will be comparing your list of genes to the genes inside of in this case, wheat, for example. So if I click this, that brings us to the end of the first video.